me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Parry, blessings. Another day again. St. Mary with there. St. Mary will say, hope that everybody is in good health, good order, and everything. But I St. Mary, some little thing me I got deal with ya upper for me house, pertaining to my house. So came here about 2 days ago. I just never take out my camera. My life I could come here about. It's about the third time in about a week, but I never take out my camera. I just never in the mood to take out my camera. So but there today we are going to deal with some little issues. Maybe you're not going to see them the way we are do on camera, but we are make some breakfast here. And Uncle Murphy is here. Uncle Murphy, you lot people them.
Alright, big up yourself.
It a come on. Yeah.
Big up on yourself and, you know, long live.
Yeah.
And
With
take
the
care
boat.
always.
Yeah. With the boat your son.
Yes.
I'll catch you in the next clip and you see what's happening. Yeah. So Parry, see where we are the way I make some local corned beef sandwich. And then Uncle Murphy, you see the time I go in and out?
In and out, yeah.
Yeah. So cut it in there still. Cut it in there still, Murph. I did not try to get none of pepper.
Check out my one.
May I
first.
drink tea? May I drink, what we need? What tea name? Fever grass. Yeah. Parry, we on to lunch. So rice ready. And we use rice cooker today because the weather look bad. And we do some work. So dad, with that country, that fine ripe banana, we ripe off a bush and I drop off. Uncle Murphy? Yes, sir. Uncle Murphy run a car and we are looking out to earring. Eh? Body part? Make you see right here, so no? Weather no good, it's not really a fall in a party, but Murphy, I went that I go done for at up make you stay there. You funny? Yeah, party, you know them kind of like a woman rain. Every minute you come down, you hold up, you come down, you hold up, you come down. Watch my bird pepper tree, Parry. Look there, show them it, Dad. Jesus, watch it. Me pick off a ripe one, then. And medicine that in a Parry, look. I say, bow, you have a blessed piece of hand. Look at ripe bird peppers. And it's blossoming and have one young one. What? That come out of rain. Come out of rain, Pops. Yeah. When you start to come out, you know. Rain out. Wow. Satan and his wife are fight fish again. And rain a fall and sun out. Yeah, in a house I do Uncle Murphy. Yeah, the cover sun is out. We don't know what's in the Murphy. It's the right one now. It's the power now. It's circling now. Circling now, Parry. Yeah, and that's our work. We are doing to back up one place, you know. But if you not come too hard, you would have just be grateful. But it's not right. Well, Murphy. All the things you come to, you know. That's why I say, go and go look at breakfast, go and go look at breakfast, so they don't find there, right? Hey, Murphy, what water fish after this already? Look there. You see? Parry, you see that? A long time you don't see no cold bird like that, you know. You have to ease off the pot. Good cold, that, good cold. The rain ease up little power, eh? But it come now like a, and the sun take time to come out, so. We see if we can get where we want, finish. If we come down too hard and can't work, you know, because the dirt, I go to, why the brush it enough? Come down this, it's a rain and I'm done for now, you know, brother. Oh boy. Man, your foot in it. He ain't gone back around there, you know.
Ain't gone back? Man, your hand. Your foot over there. New style.
Murphy, do.
Type of cutter.
Dad forgot the cutter.
First time when they cut sardine,
You remember the first time cutter them Murphy?
Yeah,
Them
but,
still about, you know?
yeah, but at night for you to use.
Murphy, please.
Yeah, at night for you to use and cut them something.
Yeah,
And hearing
but no something them Murphy do. Alright, because You just make me just feel edgier right now.
I have to feel edgy, man. We know what to do it.
Yeah, me know about that knife. You know that knife says that very damn show bebblets. Show the easy. Alright, Uncle Murphy. Put up your onion in that now, car. We don't have no whole pan up in now, Barry, car. Right now we don't focus on the whole for big yams. We are trying to see if we can do a little makeshift wall till the rainy season over, car. That the wall there, I forgot to go dig deep with some column, and if me start dig now, I collapse everything or collapse because the dirt is so soft. So we are trying to makeshift something till if God hold up the rain. When time then we just move to the wall there. A big a long piece of wall that I have to make, you know. But I never know worry about that. So right now no whole of food no die yard, but we still live, not true. We are right banana in our house, yeah. Not true, and we have a piece of bread left here.
Yeah.
Yeah, me there in the park, me there man, me there bapa, you know. I mean, I where me said, but I just give God the glory, I'm giving him praise. The mercy is great and small, because he has taken me a long way, and I know he's going to take me through. He started with me, and he's going to take me through challenges, lots of challenges that face me, but I am not worrying myself. Sometimes I get a little edgy, I'm not going to lie, but he promised to take me through. So, with Christ in the vessel, me know me can smile at any time. I've smiled at a lot, and me I take my time I go through. And that Uncle Murphy they support me. They must support me, man. And you are watching me on. I don't know, I give me no good comments in the comment section too. So me know say everything I go good. You know, everything is gonna be good. Everything is gonna be good. Everything is gonna just come out nice. And one idea me can't able to say, look here. All along of this me did that do behind the scenes. That's how it look. You know? So it go. And long time me I come in, so there we have air in a yard, here in a house, you can show when I work man out there, so them I try them best for me. You know? So what that go on, pan water go on, and Uncle Murphy will help you out as usual. Daddy now show them the pretty breadfruit. Me I just dish for you and Uncle Murphy. You so dark?
No, no.
Me I dish for you and Uncle Murphy. When Show and King come then dish out them food coming I eat them more right. Show? You eat? Eh? A wagon done. Rain must here come back down. See, we carry rice cooker come a country party and we lucky. The light no gone. So, me I got the short for them one. Because Keenan would for them say him not eat no. Yeah, it's you understand there?
Yeah, man, me good.
Yeah. Yeah, me have to make sure some back up Uncle Murphy when Uncle Murphy eat. Not get no more. Me a dish. What Show and Keenan eat out there? When they come here, man.
They have more plate.
Yeah, they come up around there so with the canned beef.
So with the canned beef and give them.
Make them mix up for themselves when they come then dish. Yeah, when they come then dish. And see Pepsi, they will not drink no Pepsi. Rain a fall, got food in a house here, party. Thank God for Jesus. Yeah, and and lime there. Lime and Pepsi good?
Yeah.
So Uncle Murphy and Dad. That same good. Dad. Only where for them there? Yes, 1 year you take back Uncle Murphy?
Then you never plate this.
Oh yes, the fork here. Fork clean. So and that we have tin bone, herring we have. Herring we make today. Only see herring and cook. No man that have the one. See your one there and see Pepsi here. And see cup there. I really want no rice in the car, the gas bother me from the other day. Come there. When Shoe come and then just do the short them food there, car. I don't know what he might tell me when they come. So
You know, say so forward.
when they come, they help themselves. Because they might try to see what they can do out there. So food at a nice door boy.
Yeah.
Steamer come out of food. You can kind of box way over so now. You know, over. Typical Saturday evening, this in a terrace.
Yeah, man.
Show them down there, so I go on with something. I might try back up back there so for me party. So till wall can dig. Typical Saturday evening, this in a terrace. Remember then Saturday evening, yeah? When you're in the country and rain and fall. But them are back. So party, we never ever forget much more because the work it halfway. So We on our way going down right now.
Yeah.
You understand? And buy some breadfruit in my bag here. When I reach a city, if I get the 8 a turn, you know, this a turn. Then big is a shame. So we are cut out now in a park. It was just all about work today. And honestly, I felt really good. I feel more than blessed right now because God work things out for me some kind of way. I'm feel happy, I feel good. I have to give thanks to Shoe and what I'm a work man, because we still know we have a little way for tip a weary, but we are cut out and going in a place. Uncle Murphy.
All right. Yes. You go put yourself, Parry. Take care. Always.
Wasn't that bad and the rain never treat we too bad.
No.
And we give God the glory. Shoe. Oh, you like people them not shoe. Shoe work him busy from morning till they look bad.
Yellow Parry.
Yeah.
Next time, Parry. Next time.
So show the shoe house, man. We are wait till, you know, certain things get done and then we show no shoe house again. Everything I take it time. Terence, you know, said this I go run up and down in the car.
No, man, not going on.
Uncle Murphy, are they